Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my humble pranams at Bhagwan's lotus feet. Respected viewers, Sai Ram to you all and welcome to Prema Bandham. In the Sri Satya Sai Ashtotram, which constitutes 108 names of our Swami, one of the names goes as Om Shri Sai Sarva Roga Nivarine Namaha, where Swami is addressed as the one who removes diseases. We would have come across incidents where Swami would have just told, your cancer is cancelled, and there goes the cancer cancelled. So today, I would be narrating an experience where Swami played the role of Sarvaroga Nivarine in our family. It was in the year 2005 that my father had developed facial paralysis. Now, for those of us who don't know what facial paralysis is, it is the loss of facial movement due to nerve damage. So, one's facial muscles may appear to droop or become weak. It can happen on any one side or both sides of the face. My father fell a victim to this, and for him, it was the left portion of the face that was affected. Whenever he closed his eyes, his left eye would be left open, and speaking became quite difficult for him. So my parents decided to meet the doctor, and my father got the last appointment for the day. I don't know what happened. When our turn had come, the doctor was in an urgency. The doctor checked my father's blood pressure, and that morning my father had given a sugar test, so that report was lying on his table. He went through the report and he told my father, see sir, you're having high sugar and high BP. Please come tomorrow. I'll give you the medication tomorrow. And he left. The doctor didn't mention anything about my father's facial paralysis. It was only about his BP and sugar. The next day again we fixed up an appointment with the doctor. The appointment was in the evening, and once again my father was the last patient to be consulting the doctor. After a while, say around when 4 patients were before us, my mother kept staring at the entrance of the hospital. I was curious to know what my mother was staring at. So I asked my mother what she was looking at, and in a state of shock, or I don't know, surprise you can call it, she told me, Shirdi Baba is there at the entrance and he's telling us not required to meet the doctor. For a while I was scratching my head. I was not able to figure out Shirdi Baba anywhere. And now I got a doubt. Is it only me who is not able to see Shirdi Sai Baba? So what I did, I went and told my father everything. My father didn't believe. After a while, he took the decision that we will meet the doctor since there are only 5 to 10 minutes for our turn to arrive. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, I developed tremendous jealousy and ego towards my mother because she was the only one in the hospital who saw Shirdi Sai Baba that day. So I started praying, Swami, please, I should see you. Swami, please, show your presence. I want to see you. I should see you. And this went on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our turn had arrived and we got up to move into the doctor's chamber. Just then, the power went off and we were asked to sit back. Just when the power went, the screeching door of the doctor's chamber opened, and that noise grabbed my attention. When I turned towards the door, I saw something orange entering into the doctor's chamber, and I shouted, Swami! Then immediately the current came back and we were asked to go inside the doctor's chamber, and the doctor lovingly welcomed us in. On seeing my father, he told, Sir, you are perfectly alright, no sugar, no BP, please go home. After consulting a doctor, it is a basic etiquette that we thank the doctor before exiting his chamber. So we too, at the exit door, turned towards the doctor to thank him. But Surprisingly, the doctor wasn't there. Just then, when we realized the absence of the doctor comes out from a room inside his chamber, welcoming us inside as if he had not seen us before. This left our minds blank. It was the same doctor a few seconds back who told my father, "Sir, you're perfectly alright, you have no sugar, no BP." Now comes and welcomes us as if he has not seen us before. After a while, my father realized that the doctor who told him that he was perfectly alright was none other than Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. The doctor who had come out from the room was the actual doctor, but the doctor who was earlier present was the divine doctor, our Swami. That night, in my mother's dream, Shirdi Sai Baba comes and tells her, "Ma, you are so much worried about your husband's face. Did you ever notice my face in the Shirdi Sai Satcharitra?" So Swami gave her a page number and asked her to look into it. The next day, the immediate thing that my mother did was open the Shirdi Sai Satcharitra and went to the page number mentioned by our Swami. To her utter astonishment, she found a photo of Shirdi Sai Baba, wherein Shirdi Sai Baba had the same facial paralysis that my father had. It doesn't end here. The next astonishment was when my father got up, he didn't have a single trace of the facial paralysis that he had developed. For my parents, this experience gave them a tremendous amount of faith in Bhagwan, and personally for me, it was an experience wherein sincere prayers were answered instantly. I thank Swami for giving us this wonderful experience. And before concluding, I pray to our beloved Bhagwan that in this current situation where the whole world is suffering, I pray to him to protect all of us, for he is the Sarva Roga Nivarini. Sai Ram.